Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the Make Health Wealth Your Passion with Ricky. Yep, as you can see, I'm awake right now. It's 6:50 right now. I slept at around 11 p.m. last night, and my first impression with this mouth seal sticker is that it's quite comfortable. It's not irritating. It does not cause any rashes around my lips, as you can see, and just a little bit of moisture. I do feel more refreshed. I do feel more refreshed than usual after sleep. Okay, so the first impression is this product seems to be working for me. Okay, but then I checked my pillow app, which I've downloaded, and well, so I'll just let y'all hear it for yourself. Yeah, so you can see it didn't really help with my snoring. Yeah, so I guess it probably helped to a certain level, but even with the lips sealed, the snoring still happens around this area, I think. Yeah, and this app is quite good in the sense that it also recorded when I actually coughed. Yeah, so that was actually coughing in two of the timings. So let me just play that audio. Yeah, so it's really good. So that means that there was a brief time when there probably could be a lack of oxygen, and or there's an irritation in the throat, and I cough it out. So yep, so I'm pretty impressed with this pillow app. It is free on trial for 7 days, but after that there's a subscription fee. So if you want to give this app a try, you can try it out. Meanwhile, I'll give this product, the mouth seal, another try for probably a few more days to see how it goes. The product is the wordings are in Japanese, but it's clearly stated here that it's made in China. So yeah, I guess it's a they'll say it's a Japan technology, but they make it in China to reduce the cost, I guess. Yep, so that's my experience for this product. Maybe you can try it and tell me if it works for you. If not, if you have any suggestions on how I can stop my snoring, if there's any product you've tried and it worked, please share. Please tell me more. I would like to know more. Yeah. So that's all for this video. Welcome again back to this Make Health Wealth Your Passion YouTube channel, and also thank you to my Facebook audiences as well, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.